Hi, this is Glenn from Viola's Auto and Home, and I want to introduce myself, some of our projects, and of course our new channel. First, a bit about myself. I have always been a curious person, interested in many topics, and willing to research and figure things out, whether it's trying to repair a bicycle, motorcycle, car, or just some home repair jobs. Nothing was too big for my keen interest. One of my lifelong hobbies is my interest in vehicles. My older brother was a great influence on me, as he was an eager autophile and had several motorcycles before buying his first car, a 1966 Candy Apple Red 383 Charger automatic. He picked this up from my uncle. It was a beautiful car, loved driving around in it, and it made my day when my older brother would take me for a ride in his new used Mopar. I found a way to make some money, make enough money to buy some wheels by the time I was 14, and I bought my first new motorcycle. By the time I was 15, I had written off the first motorcycle in a non-fault traffic accident. Obviously I survived. And bought, and of course, what do you do with when you've got when one motorcycle goes down? You buy another one. So I bought another one, bigger one, of course, more power. By the time I was 16, I'd gone through another motorcycle, and it was on to cars. I got my driver's license 2 weeks after I turned 16, and I was eager to get into bigger things, hopefully more powerful, etc. After all, that's what my brother did. Much safer. My parents were much more happier with a four-wheeled version. Now we fast forward a few years to today, and now I own several vehicles. No motorcycles though, probably a good thing. The current fleet of vehicles is shown on the slide. First one is a 2014 Mustang GT 500. 6-speed, convertible, triple black. It's a lot of fun to drive. Owned it since new. January 2014 we bought it new. It's got 10,000 kilometers on it. We're up here in Canada. 6,000 miles. The second one is a 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. Extended cab, 4-wheel drive. It's my daily driver. We bought that and it needed a little TLC. So a few things needed to be replaced. Just little minor stuff. Front brakes, some basics. And the third one, of course, is something we've had since 1990, which is a 1970 GTO automatic car, convertible. And it is it's had its original 400 drivetrain pulled out. We pulled it out. It's still running and driving at the time. And we replaced it with a 455 drivetrain that we got out of a 70 GTO. I always wanted a 70 GTO 455 ragtop. So that made my wish come true. I couldn't find one at the time, so this was the best alternative. Rebuilt all the drivetrain. However, we'll go through a walk around on all three of these projects, and perhaps you guys can give us some input as to what you might like to see us work on in our videos. So the other thing that I thought I would introduce you to is the slide format. Since I like to try to educate people or provide people with information that I've found, I wanted to get it out to the channel and hopefully share it with those that are curious like us. So this is the format we're going to use with our educational series. And the first part, of course, is the introduction, which that's this video. And then we've got a 3-part series on electric vehicles that will be coming out shortly. We're just editing the videos as we speak, and they'll follow this one. Each one's about 20 minutes long, so they won't tax up too much of your time. You can watch it. The reason why we're going to talk about EVs is that, again, I'm a curious person, and I got curious about electric vehicles. I was thinking about adding one to my fleet and using it as a daily driver around the town, our commuter car, and thought I would research it before jumping in with both feet. I'm quite a conservative guy, so I like to research things before jumping in, and I just want to share what I found with you folks. Hopefully you'll enjoy. So look forward to that coming up. So that's it for today. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and provide your comments on the channel. If you have any other ideas for our projects or any other projects that you'd like to see us work on, please let me know, and we'll add them to our channel video lists. Take care. Viola's Auto and Home.